Assalamu alaikum and welcome you all. So today in this video, we will discuss and understand the concept of conductors and insulators. It is very important to understand the concept of conductors and insulators. Why? Because they are used in electric circuits as well as in heating effect. When we study about electricity and heating effect, then it is important for us to understand conductors and insulators. So, because there are many materials around us, for example, wood, plastic, glass, copper, iron, etc., etc. So, we can classify conductors and insulators on the basis of understanding. Okay, so let's start. So, basically, what are conductors and insulators? If we talk about conductors, when a material allows electricity to pass through them, then they are called as conductors. Okay, they are usually metals, for example, copper, aluminum, iron, etc., etc. We talk about insulators. The opposite of conductors means conductors allow electricity or heat to pass through them. So insulators do not allow electricity or heat to pass through them. They are generally non-metals. For examples are plastic, rubber, and wood. Okay, so this is the basic difference between insulator and conductor. Now we will understand how we can classify conductors and insulators on the basis of testing. So for test conductors and insulators, we need batteries, wires, bulb, and some testing materials. For example, copper, gold, aluminum, wood, plastic, glass, etc., etc. Okay, so we have this simulation. It is set up which have batteries, bulb, connecting wires. Then we can place one by one between these two wires. If the bulb will glow, then it is come under the category of conductor. If the bulb will not glow, then it is insulator. We have different types of materials: copper, glass, wood, graphite, aluminum, and plastic. Okay, now we will place one by one each material. First, we have this wrench as the alloy. So the bulb start glowing. That is, it is a conductor. Now we will test copper. Okay, if we put copper between these two wires, then the bulb again start glowing. So it is also a conductor. Then we have glass. Let's say it is conductor or insulator. So the bulb is not glowing. So it is a then insulator. Again we have both. Let's see whether it is conductor or insulator. So the bulb again not glowing. Then it is insulator. Then we have graphite. What is graphite? Graphite is the lead of the pencil. The bulb start glow. So graphite comes under the category of conductor. Then we have aluminum scale. So aluminum is a conductor. If we take plastic scale, then what happens? The bulb not glowing. It is an insulator. Then we have water. It is distilled water, which doesn't have any ions. If we add salt in the water, then it forms ion and the bulb start glowing. Salt water is a conductor. Okay. Now we will see what are the importance of conductors, where conductors are used. So generally, conductors are used to carry electric currents in wires and cables. We see copper wires, aluminum wires. They are the essential parts in electrical appliances, circuits, and power lines, without which electricity cannot pass. Okay. They are helps in transmitting heat, right? For example, in cooking utensils like cooker, etc. Insulators are basically used for the purpose of safety. For example, they are used in handles like cooker handles, coatings, and safety problems. They are used to protect us from electric shocks and from heat. It is also used in most of the buildings for thermal insulation to keep our homes warm or cold. Okay, so that's all for conductors and insulators. If you have any doubt, then you can ask in the comments.